Here are all the episodes on arguing cats. Now let me talk. Each of these episodes are around 35 seconds to a minute and 10 seconds, which means all the episodes combined will be 5 seconds over 10 minutes. So grab your popcorn, sit back and relax, and let's get into all the episodes.
Patricia? Patricia? What's wrong? Patricia! I don't want to explain, Patricia. I was walking, and my hands were sweaty, and my legs were I didn't mean to hurt. Oh my God! You're so Patricia! That's Karen! I'm sorry. Oof. There's even my glass stuff on the floor. I'm not cleaning that. Did you steal my flying griffin? No, what? Why would I do that? You stole it! Get it back! I didn't scare your flying griffin. Go away. I'm clearly playing Tower of Hell. Then why do you have it like that? Get it back! I didn't scare it! You've got me full. Go away. Get it back. I'm telling Mom! That's it. I'm telling Mom! I don't care if you tell Mom. She wouldn't even know what that is. God! And besides, how would you know you're grounded for 2 weeks? You haven't had your iPad. I don't care! Give me the iPad! Go run! That's it! Go now! I'll help you. I'm sorry. Felicia, we gotta go now. Where are we going? To the shops. Okay, Dip's front seat. No! I dipped it way before you. You didn't even say anything. I was first to dip it. No, you were. Mum said you're not allowed to sit in the front seat. Excuse me. You're 3 years younger than me. I think you got that wrong. Whatever. I don't care. But I'm still sitting in the front seat. You're so tiny. You can't see out the window. No, I can see out of the window. Oh my god, I don't care. Mum! What? Patricia says she's going to sit in the front seat, but she's too short. She can't see out the window. That is not true, Mum. Don't listen to her. Patricia! Sit in the back seat. You won't get anything from the shots. Fine. Good. But Felicia, next time we go somewhere, I'll sit in the front. Shit, who are you? Who are you? What? I'm Patricia's boyfriend. Who are you? I'm Patricia's sister. Oh, what's your name? Felicia. Oh, okay. Do you have a boyfriend? No. Do you want a boyfriend? Wow! Why are you talking to Felicia? Bro, chill, it's fine. No! I hate you, Felicia! Why are you out of my bed? Go! Flirting with my boyfriend! I didn't know you was a boyfriend! No! Go away! Get out of my room! Patricia! Get out! Get out of me! Get out of me! Get out! Get out! Get out! You're gonna break my laptop! Go away! Get out! Girls, chill, it's fine. Go! Drinking Coke, and 2, this ain't even MA, I'm watching Hubie Halloween. No, you're not! It clearly says MA 15 plus, and you are drinking Coke. I'm gonna tell you what, after what you said to me yesterday, I am not adopted, you selfish idiot. You're right. Okay, over to Mom now. Mom! No, oh my god. I'll eat you. When have you done me? Felicia, why would you eat people? I was singing a song. Why would I eat people? It's a song called Cannibal. Well, that sounds crap. Cool, well, it's a TikTok song. Yeah, probably like a really old TikTok song. Well, it is, but not like that old, oh, it doesn't matter, who cares? I don't eat people, what the hell? You're weird. Oh my god, I was just singing. Go away, Patricia. No, I will not play. No, not again. Now go! Nah, I'm good. Oh my god, Mom! Can you come and get Patricia out of my bedroom? Patricia! Get out of your bedroom! No! And she was saying that she wants to eat people. Ow, what the hell? It's a song. Oh my god, why would I want to eat people? Okay, just stay here, Patricia! Fine. Go on. Whatever. Oh. Alicia. Oh. What? Oh, nothing. What did you do? Nothing, why? What was that thump? That was my foot, see? That was not your foot, God. Well, bye, Felicia. What did she drop? Patricia! You dropped my chocolate. No, I didn't. Don't lie. Yes, you did. I didn't do it because I had that loud thump. Well, it wasn't me, so go away. Wait until Mum comes home. You'll be in big trouble. Nah, I think you will. I'll blame it on you. No, don't. Yes, I will. And you think you'll believe me? You're only 10 years old. I don't care. Well, I'm filming, so everything said record on camera. Oh, what? No, stop! Stop, Alicia! What? What the hell is that? Ew! Look behind you, Patricia! What? I'm sorry. What is it? There. No, Mom, look behind you.
That's all of them. Maybe I'll make more in the future. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed it.